Understanding Spin on an Axis, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, spin on an axis. This phrase is not just about physics. It's a part of everyday English language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Spin on an axis refers to the action of turning or rotating around an invisible line or point. Imagine a globe spinning on its stand. That's a perfect example of spinning on an axis. This concept is often used in physics to describe how planets and objects rotate, but it also appears in everyday language to describe situations, ideas, or discussions that revolve around a central point or theme. In everyday language, spin on an axis can be used metaphorically. For example, if someone says, "Our conversation seems to spin on the axis of budget constraints," they mean that the discussion is continually revolving around or coming back to the topic of budget constraints. It's a way to express that there is a central point or theme that everything else revolves around. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. The debate spun on the axis of environmental policy. Here, the debate continually comes back to environmental policy. 2. Her life seemed to spin on the axis of her career. This implies that her career is the central, most important part of her life. There are several phrases and words with a similar meaning that you might hear. For example, revolve around, center on, pivot on. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, spin on an axis, and how it's used both literally and metaphorically in English. Remember, it's all about something rotating or revolving around a central point, whether it's a physical object or an abstract concept. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.